Adaptogens are powerful natural substances that help the body adapt to stress, improve energy levels, and support overall health. Including these adaptogens in your diet can provide significant benefits, but it's crucial to use them appropriately and under guidance when necessary. In the description box is a list of precautions and interactions for each herb. Ashwagandha, Withania somnifera, benefits: reduces stress and anxiety, improves cognitive function, enhances physical performance, supports immune function. Forms: capsules, powders, extracts. Rhodiola Rosea benefits: increases resistance to stress, reduces fatigue, enhances mental performance, supports mood. Forms: capsules, tablets, extracts, teas. Holy Basil, Tulsi, benefits: reduces stress, supports immune function, anti-inflammatory properties, improves respiratory health. Forms: teas, capsules, extracts. Siberian ginseng, Eleutherococcus senticosus, benefits: enhances stamina and endurance, reduces stress, supports immune function, improves cognitive function. Forms: capsules, tablets, extracts. Maca root, Lepidium myeanii, benefits: boosts energy and stamina, supports hormonal balance, enhances mood, improves sexual health. Forms: powders, capsules, extracts. Schisandra berry, Schisandra chinensis, benefits: improves mental performance, reduces stress, supports liver health, enhances physical endurance. Forms: capsules, powders, teas, extracts. Cordyceps mushroom, Cordyceps sinensis, benefits: increases energy and stamina, supports respiratory health, enhances immune function, improves athletic performance. Forms: capsules, powders, extracts. Licorice root, Glycyrrhiza glabra, benefits: reduces stress, supports adrenal health, anti-inflammatory properties, enhances immune function. Forms: teas, capsules, extracts. Astragalus root, Astragalus membranaceus, benefits: supports immune function, enhances energy levels, protects against physical stress, supports cardiovascular health. Forms: capsules, teas, extracts. Reishi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum, benefits: reduces stress, supports immune function, improves sleep, anti-inflammatory properties. Forms: capsules, powders, extracts, teas. Thanks for watching.